In fields where golden pumpkins lie, beneath an autumn-painted sky, lie seeds of green, so small and round, in humble soil, their worth is found. These unassuming little morsels are pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, and they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition and history. Pumpkin seeds have been a part of human diets for thousands of years. They were first cultivated by the indigenous peoples of North and Central America around 7000 to 5500 BC. From ancient days, through time they've grown, in lands where harvest winds are blown. Native hands once held them near, in ritual, feast, and nature's medicine dear. Archaeologists have discovered pumpkin seeds in Mexico dating back to 7000 BC. Native Americans treasured pumpkins and their seeds not just for food, but also for their medicinal properties. These early agriculturalists not only enjoyed the flesh of the pumpkin but also recognized the value of its seeds. With shells so hard, yet treasures keep, in secret, while the pumpkins sleep. A bounty rich in every bite, a world of health in purest light. A natural remedy in fact, pumpkin seeds were so respected for their health benefits that they were listed in the United States Pharmacopoeia from 1863 to 1936. Why? These seeds were used as a natural deworming agent, helping to expel intestinal parasites. Pumpkins, a quintessential symbol of autumn, American Halloween, and harvest festivals. But did you know that hidden inside these vibrant gourds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition? Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, have a rich history and a wealth of health benefits. A global favorite, today, pumpkin seeds are enjoyed worldwide, with major producers including Mexico, the United States, China, and New Zealand. Even today, and we're still discovering the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Let's break down what makes these little seeds so special. Just a handful of these seeds is packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of essential minerals, including magnesium, zinc, and iron. Oh, pumpkin seeds, you bring delight, in morning's calm or moon's soft night. With iron strong and zinc so pure, your gifts of health forever sure. Heart health. Magnesium supports heart health. May help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Blood sugar control. The magnesium and fiber in pumpkin seeds can help manage blood sugar levels. Prostate health. Men, take note. Pumpkin seed oil has shown promise in supporting prostate health and may even help with hair growth. Bone strength. With high levels of magnesium, pumpkin seeds contribute to bone development and maintenance. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in pumpkin seeds may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Improved sleep. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes good sleep. Beyond their health benefits, pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They add a delightful crunch in soups, salads, a nutritious boost to smoothies, and can be a star ingredient in homemade granola and energy bars. You whisper tales of history grand, of ancient tribes upon the land. From hearth to heart, your story flows, through time's embrace, your legacy grows. Recipe: roasted pumpkin seed and quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 cup roasted pumpkin seeds, pepitas, 1 cup organic cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 cucumber, diced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. In a medium saucepan, combine the quinoa and water or vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the quinoa with a fork and let it cool to room temperature. Prepare the vegetables. While the quinoa is cooling, prepare the vegetables. Halve the cherry tomatoes, dice the cucumber and red bell pepper, and finely chop the red onion, parsley, and cilantro. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, roasted pumpkin seeds, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red bell pepper, red onion, parsley, and cilantro. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. If using, sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese on top. Serve. Serve the salad chilled or at room temperature. Enjoy as a healthy main dish or a hearty side. This quinoa salad with roasted pumpkin seeds is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Oh, seeds of green, in autumn's light, your song of health, a pure delight. In every meal, in every snack, you weave the world, no looking back. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Pumpkin seed. Hey, sunflower seeds. What's cracking? Sunflower seed. It is us, apparently. You know, it's a tough job being the life of the party. Pumpkin seed. Oh, please. You guys think you're so cool just because you're a little more popular. Sunflower seed. Popular? We're the rock stars of the snack world. Ever seen a baseball game without us? We are good luck charms. Pumpkin seed. Baseball, schmazball. Have you ever been to a Halloween party? We're the stars. Carved right out of the main attraction. Sunflower seed. Main attraction? You mean that mushy orange thing kids stick their hands in? Yeah, sounds glamorous. Pumpkin seed. At least we're not stuck in shells our whole lives. Talk about claustrophobic. Sunflower seed. Shells are just our way of saying, we're worth the effort. You know, like unwrapping a present. Pumpkin seed. Yeah, a really tiny, tedious present. By the time people get to you, they're too tired to enjoy it. Sunflower seed. Oh, come on. At least we're versatile. People eat us plain, salted, or even in delicious halva. Pumpkin seed. Versatile? We can be roasted, spiced, or even baked into bread. Ever heard of pumpkin seed pesto? Sunflower seed. Pesto? Is that your big pitch? Face it, without the pumpkin, you're just another seed. Pumpkin seed. And without the flour, you're just a snack for birds. Sunflower seed. Birds have excellent taste. Pumpkin seed. Yeah, well, at least we don't have to worry about getting stuck in people's teeth. Sunflower seed. Touché. But hey, let's face it, we both bring joy in our own way. Seeds of fun, right? Pumpkin seed. Absolutely. Here's to keeping things seedy. Sunflower seed. Cheers to that. Now let's go and have a cracking seed fun time together. Stay happy and seed healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. Let us praise with grateful hearts these tiny gems, their endless parts. For in each seed, a tale of old, a future bright, and health untold. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.